What if you want to take your conference rooms and voice enable them? Be able to walk into them and say, hey, you know what? Hey, Alexa, start the meeting. Or what's the next scheduled meeting? Or Alexa, is this room available on the 8th at 2 p.m.? Okay, I'm by the use case. That's Alexa for business. If you're wondering why I'm not overly excited, because I'm not a huge fan of voice and its capability. You're retrofitting a lot of enterprise IT security and identity to make this work, kind of. I guess there's use cases. There was a Lockheed Martin use case. There was a lot of Amazon using it in meeting space. You can, in theory, ask Alexa to use or read your email. I guess it's the consumerization is IT, and I guess we need to get on board. Amazon Alexa for Business or AWS Alexa for Business is the underlay to make this possible. I can do device management if I want to roll out 100 or 150 Echo devices. I can register them in their network profile, so I can assign one to a meeting space or room, and that can have a one-on-one mapping with Exchange object, and that device can then have rights to schedule rooms, look at meetings, delete reservations, etc. Except, you just run into practical problems. Like, can I, as a end user, walk into a room and say, hey, delete the room hold on this room for 2 p.m. tomorrow? How do I just manage that? I think the other problem is, you can't use dedicated echoes for security purposes to say, hey, read my email. You kind of have to have some additional layer of security. Amazon provides voice learning as a possibility, but I don't know if most organizations are convinced that voice ID is a valid form of authentication. So I'd have to have Alexa on my phone. I'd have to open the app. I have to unlock my phone, open the app, and then say, read my email. I'm not buying it, but the services is there to enable you to build those services. Day 7 of Everyday AWS.